Welcome to Professional Marketing Specialists. So our new training virtual website portal has been launched with 73 lessons that are already implemented for our clients. So in our program, we walk them through step by step, answer every question in detail, whether it's a video or it's a written out text or both, but they have every platform that'll ever be built for them step by step versus just saying, hey, go do this and try to figure it out. So if you're interested in joining this, we have this virtual site, and along with that, you get live in-depth coaching every week, accountability systems and things like that to implement into your business to be a successful real estate industry professional. Yes, it's only $100 a month, no contract. We want to just make sure that we're helping everyone we can, putting them in this course. It's step by step. So if you're interested in this, all you have to do is text 88000 and the code word GOT PMS to get registered, or you can visit our website, Professional Marketing Specialist. We'd love to have you a part of what we're doing. This is the evolution in how real estate marketing is done. If you're not implementing this on social media, understanding algorithms, changing viewing audiences, creating private groups, understanding how video sales funnels work, Instagram, just solds, just listeds, farming, how it all plays together, you are losing leads every single day. This program is work at your own pace. As much time as you put in is what you get out of it. You've seen the success stories. We would love to have you a part of this. So once again, don't hesitate to reach out. Love to have a part of the coaching program that we have just launched virtually online that no one has done this type of training portal.